Cabbages have excellent health benefits. In addition to being good probiotics, they are a good immune boost for the body. Today, we are going to prepare sauerkraut. Here are our ingredients for the sauerkraut: the cabbage and the salt and the apples. We are following a recipe we saw in YouTube by Mary's Nest. We'll give a link about her video in this video. We remove the leaves, the first leaves from the cabbage, chop the cabbage in small pieces, and then put the salt, 2 tablespoons of salt in the cabbage and massage them for a while. Put on our gloves before we start massaging the product. We'll take the time and muscle it. After about 5-6 minutes, the cabbage starts yielding the water. Now we are going to go to the next process. Next, we put it in a wide mouth jar. This is about a quarter size. I'll do about 2 or 3 of these. And then next we press the cabbage. Keep pressing for a while until you get more juices, and then do the next process. You have the cores mixed with the apple. I think they're Granny Smith apple or organic. We are going to blend them and come back here. Mixture of apple and pour in there with a little bit of water to cover, and then I will just maybe a minute or so use a blender. Okay, now pour the mix in the bowl, all mixed up. I'm going to take this to the other the cabbages and mix it in. Pour the slurry into the cabbage little by little. This is a mixture of apples and the cores. Okay, that's about it. So we mix it in with the apple and the core and the whole thing for a good deal. Now we are ready to put a top on it and cover it and leave it for a few weeks so that it will become a sauerkraut. And of course, on the regular basis, we'll open it to breathe, as the lady said in her video. We are going to use the large leaves we kept at the beginning to use it as the topper to the jar. So we can top it, bend it in the jar, press it all the way down so that everything will be under the liquid. Of course, make sure the hands are clean, that the cabbage leaves are clean. We don't want any microbes in our solution. Leaves in, we press everything all the way down. Press it all the way down. Everything has to be submerged underwater to avoid mold and other bacterial growth. Once that's done, you put a weight on top of the leaf so that the solution stays underwater. We have a cup here, which is about 6 ounce cup. We're going to put it there at the weight holder. We cover with this lid. You could use a lid, different kind of lid, but we cover it with this. And then finger tighten it. Put it somewhere in your kitchen, but in the refrigerator, where it can ferment. And every day you can open the top a little bit to let the gases out. After 5 to 7 days, according to the video we saw, you could check it out, taste it, to see if it tastes to your liking, and refrigerate. Keep in mind it will continue to ferment even after refrigeration. Sauerkraut is a good product, good something to eat. It is very good for the gut health and many other benefits. The sauerkraut tastes very good and go well with many type of dishes. Besides that, the cabbage itself is packed with very healthy benefits. It aids in the digestion and allows our bodies to absorb better the food we eat. It also helps in weight loss. It promotes good health. To see the bubbles after a couple of days, what we do now is rotate the open the top a little bit to let the gases out and close it back up. This is how it looks after 4 days. We change the top leaf and push it in a little bit more, and we'll see how it is when we are ready to taste it this evening on day 4. This is about 6 days. Looks like this thing is mature. I'll take the cover off and try. You take the cover off and press again some more, and looks like the thing is ready. And then we're going to refrigerate it and use it little by little on salads, on sandwiches, just as a good probiotic food. Here it is. Here it is. After a couple of weeks in the refrigerator, we transfer some of it to a smaller jar to make it easy to serve. Of course, we can serve it in plates with different type of dishes, with sandwiches or salads. It tastes very good.